Hi friends, let me show you this extra wide retractable gate for babies or pets that I received for review purposes. Okay. It can cover spaces of up to 100 inches. You get the installation and user manual, okay? And you get all the accessories that you need to install it and to use it. These are the different brackets that you need to install it. You get these self-stick double-sided tapes to help you install it. You have to drill it to the wall, but these ones will help you to mark it where you need to install it, okay? And you get some screws and anchors. As you can see, it's really tall, okay? It's up to 42 inches. 42 inches from the floor, so it's tall enough for big pets or larger boys, okay? Larger kids. Let's try it. As you can see, it's easy to install it. You have these pre-glue films to help you put the brackets where they need to go, okay? It has this reinforcement so it won't bend easy. And let me show you the lock feature here. If you lock it, okay, it won't go out more fence. So if the baby or the pet pushes it, it will firmly stay, okay? If you get rid of the lock, the fence keeps coming out. But if you lock it, no more fence coming out. So it's good so they can't push it, okay? So let's try it with my pets. Okay, as you can see, Milo. Okay, they can't come through even if there's a treat involved. Milo, Choco. So it's great if you want to be working here or in your playroom or whatever, but you don't want your pets to come. This is a nice way to have them off bounds. Okay, see you later. So, great service. Nice white finish. Easy to install, easy to lock, and easy to unlock and keep open if you need to be open. Okay, so perfect. If you need some kind of fence like this, it's a great option. Thank you.